welcome back to the channel. So today I have a little PR that I got a couple weeks ago, probably 3 weeks ago. It's taken me a while to show it to you guys because I've been using the product. What is it? Well, you know by the title of this video, it is from iMethod Beauty. It is their Fluffy Brows Brow Wax. So this is the box. I've already obviously taken everything out of it, but I'm just going to show it to you guys. Brow styling wax. The neat thing is, y'all, they have the lot number and the expiration on the box, which is good. Sometimes it's very hard to find that on cosmetics. So yeah, this is the box it comes in. This is what it looks like. Super cute little tin, actually little jar, I should say. Some information on it. Then you get 2 spoolies looking like this. You get 2 of them with this. All right. So as I said, I got this, gosh, probably 3 weeks ago. Very easy, came in the mail, super nice. They have been doing a lot of promo with influencers. A lot of people are getting like their stamping liners and things. They asked me what I wanted, and honestly, you guys, you know, I'm kind of, having issues with the crow's feet. I have a lot of excessive skin on my eyelids, and honestly doing like a winged liner on me is like big epic fail. So I didn't want to do that. So I took a look at, and I was really interested in their brow styling waxes. Brow soaps and things and styling waxes have become like a thing lately. And so, I got some other brands recently, and it was kind of on them, real hit or miss. So I was curious to try this. So I'm going ahead and take off the top and show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely perfectly clear. Now there is a top on this right now, a lid, and this is what it looks like. You want to keep this, okay? So it is the end of the work day. I purposely did not do my brows today because I wanted to film this and show it to you guys. So you're going to take one of these spoolies, and they come bent like this, okay? And a little bit of this goes a very, very, very long way. So you barely, and it's what I like about this product is, and I didn't know I was going to like it, it's not rock hard. It's kind of like a gel, but a very, very firm gel. As you can see, it's not drippy or movie. It is a wax, but it's not hard like a lot of the other brow waxes are. I like this formulation. So I honestly pick up just a little on this spoolie. You can kind of see where I've been playing with it, and honestly, barely been using it. So I have some on here. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It is obviously very clear, but so what their directions are is, I'm going to try to grab this again. When I told you to not get rid of the top, they tell you pick up some on the spoolie, and then just you kind of swirl it around on this to kind of move it around so you don't have a glob, and kind of move it around on here. And then you go ahead, I got a makeup mirror here. You go ahead and you brush it through your brows, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to do it on this brow to show you guys first. And like I said, a little bit goes a very long way. I barely put any on here. I've swirled it on that top, and I still feel like I got a lot on the spoolie. So this little jar is going to last a very long time because you just do not need a lot. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said, I got it on here. I can feel it. You just kind of push it in through your brows. And if you need to, if you feel like, wow, I suddenly don't have a lot, again, you swirled it on there. You can go ahead and swirl it some more, pick up what's left. All right, so you're kind of brushing through and pressing it into your brows, and it's clear. So, everybody's got different hair color on their brows, right? All right, so it's in my brows, and I'm going to get all close to y'all so you can see it. All right. Ooh, sorry for that noise. Sorry, I just dragged the microphone across the table, but so now I've got it in my brows, right? It's in there. You can still tell the natural color of my hair. So again, I just brush through it. Now, everybody does their brows differently. This is for the fluffy brow look, which I like. I have lately seen on like Instagram and other influencers where they like smash it down slick, and they slick it, like splatter it flat onto their head, and I don't like that at all. So I like this, keeps them really fluffy. So you can do this, like I said, brush it through, and then if you want, you can use the handle and kind of push up and shape your brows however you want them to look. So that's one. I'm going to change hands, and we'll just press up. And you can do that if you want. You can still use a spoolie. Like I said, if you don't use a lot on here, you're fine. Or like I said, press up is what they recommend with the handle. and then you just let it air dry. Now, what I have found is, because this is clear, I have to do this at the absolutely last step of my makeup, because if you get any powder near this, you're going to have like powder sticking to your brow wax, right? So it is literally the final step you do, okay? Don't do it and then go back and go, oh, well, I want to add some powder to my face, because you're going to end up with powder all over your brows and it'll be a mess. So just takes a minute or two to this dry down. It wears all day. You get that nice fluffy brow look, I can't even talk, fluffy brow look, and it holds the look. I mean, unless you like scratch your eyebrows or something, it holds the look. So it has that nice hold without looking like super greasy, without being really hard. I do find it adds a little reflection in the light because it's clear. And if you put, the mistakes I made like the very first week is I was picking up way too much product on my spoolie. It was just way too much. Literally less is more, okay? And I do recommend, like I said, as it says on their instructions on their website, use the top of this and swirl it around, okay? And then while you're letting it air dry, all you need to do is rinse under some like lukewarm water. Just rinse this right off and it comes right off. Oh, I got a hair on there. It's a little fuzzy. You just rinse it under some warm water. It comes right off. It doesn't stick on here. It's not difficult. You don't need, you know, any sort of soap or anything, but you do want to clean this every time, okay? Because it's a wax and it, like on your brows, it is going to kind of dry down. So super easy. Like I said, they give you two. So you always have, if you wash one and you realize it's wet and you want to like go in and reapply, you've got the other one. So, you know, and if you lose one, I keep getting a hair in here. Keep them away from cotton balls. That's my problem, is I got this near a cotton ball yesterday, but I really wasn't sure when I tried this product. Like I said, it was because I used way too much. So this is 0.35 ounces or 10 grams. Honestly, this is going to last a very, very, very long time because less is more, and I just love it. You can literally shape them however you want. Yeah, look, they're shaped. They're drying down now. And I love it. I absolutely love it. It is just sold right now, as far as I know, in clear. Runs about $18. Sometimes they have a sale. You can get it $15, $16 range. Well worth it because it's going to last you a long time. So like I said, it has that top on it, which I just dropped. Keep this because you use it. As you can see, it's kind of smudgy because you rub that spoolie on there. And then it does just press down into the top. Keeps that wax airtight. So yeah, I really like the product. So thank you so much to iBeauty for letting me try this, sample this. I really appreciate you sending this. I did get this free so that I could provide an honest review. Like I said, that first week I was really unsure. Honestly, now I really like it a lot. So my tip to you all is less is more. All right, enjoy. And really, again, let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this? Very happy with it. So have a great one, you guys. I really appreciate you stopping by. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you're new here, would love it if you hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, and make sure you always check out my Mask Monday Ladies videos. Always got a giveaway in those. And I do periodically do milestone giveaways. Got another one coming up very soon. So make sure you check that out when it drops. And have a great one. Again, thank you to iMethod. iMethod Beauty, just amazing, amazing. Love this product. Was real tickled. So it is now my staple. So thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. See you on my next video. Bye, everybody.